Hello everyone, welcome to Gosia Art Home Cooking. I just got from my garden beautiful zucchini. As you can see, it's huge. Today's recipe will be very healthy and very delicious zucchini pizza. Let's get started. What we need for zucchini pizza, we need of course zucchini, tomato. I have 3 colors of different peppers, red onion, tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, garlic, Italian seasoning, ground pepper, avocado oil and salt. Let's get cooking. Once I remove ends, and now I will cut zucchini about 1/4 inch. These slices. Look at this. Slices are so big. Perfect. And we're excited because we love this recipe. From one zucchini I have so many slices. Let's go start making pizzas. On a baking pan I put aluminum foil, avocado oil, with the rest of the zucchinis, salt, tomato sauce. Perfect summer dinner, and you can enjoy guilt-free. Tomato sauce. Put on the rest of my zucchinis. Perfect, it's done. Garlic. Few slices of garlic on each pizza will be a great addition. Now I'm adding garlic. We love garlic, so I add a little bit on each slice. Onion. Put on the side. Now I will cut orange pepper, red pepper, and yellow, and tomato. Okay, let's go assemble pizza. Slice of mozzarella cheese. Beautiful. Onion and pepper with 3 slices on each zucchini. Now I will use orange. Look at this pizza, looks so beautiful. You can see you can enjoy pizza a little different. Black pepper. Italian seasoning, and a little bit garlic powder, and 1 little tomato. You can just decorate your pizza and use your own design. My pizza is ready. The pizza is in the oven. I will bake in temperature 380 degrees. The pizza is done. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure you check them out. And see you soon on my next episode. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego. Bye bye.